Just on that, Yana mentioned this potential downing of Pakistan claiming that 5 Indian jets had been shot down, which seems like a lot. There has been some clips on social media, which we're working to verify at the moment, but I don't think we can say with certainty whether they show fuselage of downed jets. We need to work out when those are taken. How plausible is... I mean, 5 jets would be a lot to lose.
Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know how they've shot down any, because there's no reason for Indian Rafale aircraft, which is almost certainly what they were, to have left Indian airspace. If you look at the distances involved, Bahawalpur is 56 miles over the border. That's well within the range of a Rafale inside India firing a Scalp missile at Bahawalpur, at the mosque there. And if you look at Muzaffarabad, I mean, that's only 20 miles away from the line of control. So Indian jets could have been, could have stayed within their own airspace. And they only had even a Hammer air-to-surface missile, 20-mile range. That's fine. That wouldn't do it. So I don't see why Indian jets ever left Indian airspace. If they did, they must have had a special reason to do so. And I'd be astonished. Why would they do that? Why would they put an expensive jet and an even more expensive pilot in harm's way? Quite likely they flew drones over the real targets. That's entirely plausible. Drones to confuse the electronics, drones to open a path in air defence systems, because unless you're going to bomb air defence systems, which is a different game altogether, then what you can do is you can open like opening a curtain. You can open a path for your missiles to go through, and that path will stay open for a couple of hours, which is enough. I mean, the whole operation seems to have been over in about 20 minutes from what I've read. So it's entirely plausible that there were surveillance drones and electronic warfare drones above Pakistani airspace, but I'd be very surprised if any Indian aircraft were above Pakistani airspace last night.
That does seem to tally with the videos released by